Hello friends and welcome to the lecture. Today we will learn chemical properties of metals. Let's see one by one. First is reaction with water. Most metals do not show any observable and fast reaction with cold water, but some metals react very strongly and quickly with water. Example, sodium is a metal that is stored in kerosene because the moment it gets in contact with water, it produces a lot of heat. Second property, reaction with oxygen. Metals combine with oxygen to form their oxides. You have learned that when iron reacts with oxygen to form a different substance called rust, it is a chemical reaction. What is rust? It's iron oxide, which is a material that has iron and oxygen in it. So we can say that iron reacts with oxygen to form iron oxide. Chemical reaction, Fe plus O2 plus H2O gives Fe2O3, rust. You also know that when we burn a magnesium ribbon, it burns with a bright flame to form magnesium oxide. That is a chemical change too. Mg plus O2 gives MgO. Copper also reacts with oxygen. A copper vessel kept in moist air for a long time gets a green coating. Second property, reaction with acids. When metals react with acids, they usually release hydrogen as a result of the reaction. Let's see what happens. Take 4 test tubes, put a magnesium ribbon in one, a small piece of aluminum in the second one, iron filling in the third, and a small copper wire in the fourth. Using a dropper, add 5 ml of dilute hydrochloric acid to each of the test tubes. If you see no reaction, heat the test tube gently, as heating always speeds up any reaction. Now take a burning matchstick near the mouth of each of the test tube. You hear a slight pop on the first 3 test tubes and not on the fourth one with copper. The pop was because of hydrogen gas released in the reaction in the first 3 tubes. Hydrogen is a highly combustible gas and gives a pop sound when heated and combines with oxygen in the air to form water. Let's see the chemical equations of reactions that take place in the test tubes. In the first test tube, magnesium reacted with dilute hydrochloric acid to form magnesium chloride and hydrogen. Reaction, Mg plus HCl gives MgCl2 plus H2. Now let's see what happens when metals react with bases or hydroxides. Alkalis or bases are hydroxides of metals itself. When you put a piece of aluminum in a sodium hydroxide solution, a reaction occurs. Again, when you hold a burning matchstick to the mouth of the test tube, you hear a pop sound. That tells you that the gas released is hydrogen. So we can say that When bases react with most metals, hydrogen gas is released. Another property, electronic configuration. Electronic configuration is the basis of chemical behavior of elements. Majority of metals have up to 3 electrons in their outermost shell. Next property, formation of ions. Metals have a tendency to lose their valence electrons to form positively charged ions, that is cations. Okay, thank you.